Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. So stock is regarding a crowd favorite stock which is CVNA, and why not? If you look at the daily chart, actually for back-to-back few days, it is having some nice green candle. So just wanted to make this video because when the stock runs, it runs big and the volume keeps coming. So in this video, I'm going to see how the price action is looking like, what is the volume, what is the short interest, and few other things, and hopefully you will find this video useful. In that case, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel. So we're going to talk about all about the things, so many lines, indicators. We will come back, but if you find this video useful, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also, I like day trading, and today we did really awesome, like STSS from the entry to the high 28%, TCRX 28%, UCAR, then UFAB 65%, and like this one 50% MVST. So all in all, it was a good day, and very happy for today's performance. Especially you can see that all the big moves we have, you can just pause and see our entry and highest move of the day. Anyway, CVNA we didn't play as a day trading, but one of our member was watching, so I just noticed it is running again. Each day he mentions it is running, and I go and say, oh, it's running. So anyway, so I thought making a video on this particular stock, and I think again tomorrow I'll be watching CVNA for day trading for sure. Okay. And by the way, if you want to join our community, want to get access to our Discord for trading entry exit alert for stock and option, I would say use the link patreon.com/the stock analyst. I will leave the link in the first comment. Go there, sign up based on your need, stock or option, and get access to Discord. Okay. So CVNA, the first thing I want to show you on a daily chart, you can see the RSI is currently really high, close to 75. Whenever the RSI goes to 85.86, it goes down. You already know that any RSI over 70 is overbought, so it might run one more day, but the RSI is getting hotter, right? In case of the volume, CVNA, even today's volume was 41 million compared to the average volume of 18 million. So more volume is coming compared to the average. This is very interesting. Also looking at the volume for last few days, it is having consistent volume. Yes, the volume is less today compared to yesterday, but still the volume is higher. You can see that it is getting higher volume compared to previous days. This is important. The next thing is the short interest, which is really high, 64% short interest. Okay, 64% short interest in last 7 days. Short interest is almost the same, right? You can see that CVNA, the short interest is almost the same, always really high, 64%, 65%. If we look at the utilization, there is no shares available to short, so we know this stock, it can run really big. So instead of a daily, if I go back to a 3-minute chart, you can see that for last few days it gives nice opportunity for trading. You can see that from $7 all the way to 10.7, right? Came down, it held $9. So you can see that the 7 support became the next support is $9. Again a nice push, it held 10.7, the next support, again a push. So it is going higher, but the next time when it comes down, it is not coming to the same place, it is making a higher low. So it is making higher low, which is really good. From 10.77, the next low is around 11.5, and today it held 12.3. So it is making higher low, which I want to see, and also it is making higher high. You can see the high 10.7, 11.5, 13.3, and 13.7. So it is going, the growth is organic, which is really good. If you want to day trade, obviously you will keep an eye on few particular areas. I would keep an eye on 13.1. At the same time, I will keep an eye on 12.3, because when you talk about day trading, you need to see the price action, the support, resistance, how the stock is behaving, and this is we always do, look at price action, come up with the entry, and come up with the profit target. If you're following my channel for a long time, you know how I operate. Okay, but what is more important, let's go back to 1 hour chart. Okay, I think 13.9, 14 would be a strong area of resistance, but once we can break this, then this thing can go towards 16, and after 16 it has more room all the way to $20. Okay, $20. CVNA is a crazy runner. We know it can go all the way to $20. You can add let me see if I have it. I'm just trying to see technicals, profile patterns. I think it changed a little bit. the new version, so I'm having a hard time. I wanted to see the volume profile. I don't know, um, volume, auto encode volume profile. It looks a little different. Maybe they updated, but I wanted to see the volume profile, where there is more volume, where there is less volume. But if you look at the volume profile, it is showing only the profile for this area, but I want to see the volume profile for a bigger area. Okay, at least maybe you can get an idea, right? So lots of volume here, this area between 10 to 12. But if you really go higher, like after 13, very less volume to 20, and after 20 even less volume towards 30, 40. The whole point I want to say, when it will go higher, the resistance it is having at this point, it might not be like that. It can just really squeeze. Okay, I'm gonna hide the volume for now. I don't want that, but I just want to bring that to your attention, that this thing can really run. Keep an eye. Each day it is giving you nice day trading opportunity. At the same time, on a swing trade perspective, it is making higher high, higher low. So keep an eye. Once it will go over 14, it can really push towards 16 and $20. Okay, you know how CVNA runs if you love this particular stock. And also, if you know me, how I operate on my Discord, my trading community, before the market open, I give you ticker symbol, their entry if it dips, if they break out, your entry, and also the profit targets. And this is how we operate, and we have been making money: 19%, 11%, 28%, 53%. This is how we are making. Hopefully, you are also making money. Anyway, if you want to join our community, you know the drill. Just use the link in the first comment, Patreon. Go there, sign up, and I will see you on the other side. Thank you again for watching this particular video. Take care and peace.